If you're wondering how to integrate Proof with Zapier, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to effortlessly connect Proof to Zapier so you can automate and supercharge your marketing efforts. By the end of this video, you'll be able to leverage the power of both tools to boost conversions and streamline workflows. Plus, I have an exclusive bonus for you, so make sure to stick around. To kick things off, let's talk about why integrating Proof with Zapier is such a game changer. Proof lets you display real-time social proof, like testimonials or activity on your website, to boost credibility and conversions. Zapier, on the other hand, connects your apps and automates tasks between them, no coding required. By integrating these two, you can automate actions based on events in Proof, saving you time and increasing efficiency. Now, let's jump into how you can set it all up. First, you'll need accounts with both Proof and Zapier. If you don't have them yet, you can get started for free. The link in the description below has an exclusive bonus that gives you an extended free trial, so don't miss out. Once you're logged into both platforms, head over to Zapier and click on Make a Zap. This is where the magic happens. Now, select Proof as your trigger app. If you don't see it listed, make sure you've connected Proof to your Zapier account through their API or OAuth integration, which is simple and guided by Zapier. After selecting Proof as the trigger, choose the specific event you want to track. Maybe you want to trigger an action when someone views a testimonial, or when a specific milestone is reached on your website. Zapier makes this customizable. Then, you'll need to choose the app that will perform the action. For example, you could use Proof to send data to a CRM like HubSpot, or trigger an email to your team with the latest activity. There's no limit to the possibilities. You can even send Slack notifications or update a Google Sheet with the data. Once you've chosen your app and action, Zapier will ask you to test the Zap. This is where you'll ensure everything is working seamlessly. If the test is successful, you're good to go. Your integration is now live, and you'll be automating tasks between Proof and your other favorite apps. Now, before we wrap things up, let me mention again that you can use Proof completely free from the first link below. You'll also get access to that extended trial. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. With this integration, you'll save time, improve your marketing workflows, and turn your website into a more dynamic tool that's ready to convert visitors into customers. So, why should you integrate Proof with Zapier? Because automating tasks between these two platforms is the fastest way to enhance your marketing efforts. With just a few clicks, you can set up actions and triggers that work for you 24/7. Whether you're sending customer data to your CRM or boosting your social proof with minimal effort, Proof and Zapier make it all possible. If you want to unlock the power of this integration, be sure to click that link below for your extended free trial of Proof. And that's it for today. Keep experimenting and automating, and your business will run smoother than ever.